Today is even more cloudy here. It has been a sunny day so far in Mo i Rana. Mo i Rana, Norway, known as the city beneath the Arctic Circle. Here we are again for the third time on this spot. This is my car again. It's a bus. Oh my god, a bus in Mo i Rana. What a news item. Here again you see the same view, but today the river is even more flooded, as you can tell now. This is a 5-year flood, I guess. And you can see the waterfall over there. Pretty nice sight, ain't it? Please join IC channel Amiga at EFNet. I'm a big Amiga freak. My nickname is Aleph, also known at Radio Reboot, or maybe in the future at riksfm.no. Riksfm. Maybe we will buy that site. Who knows? Only God knows. I want to say hello to Opus. Sir Opus, Sir Opus, I love you like my own brother. Which I don't have. Who I don't have? I don't have any brothers. Oh my god, what should I do? But you Amiga freaks are all my brothers. Or even some of my sisters. For instance, Cammy. Hello Cammy from Australia. A very big hello from Norway. Well, what was I gonna say now? I hope it don't rain today. I just washed my car. I hope it won't rain. Bye from Norway.